Hey, what's up guys? This is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to recover deleted messages on Facebook Messenger. If you have deleted some important message on Facebook Messenger and want to recover it, then just follow these steps. Open up Facebook Messenger app and log into your profile if you haven't already. Click on your profile picture at the top left corner. Scroll down and select Account Settings. Scroll down and under Your Information tab, select Download Your Information. Click on Deselect All at the right and select Messages so that you would download only your messages. Scroll down and click on Create File. Facebook will email you when your copy is ready for download. The download link will be included in the email, or just proceed to Available Copies and download the copy from here. Keep in mind that these copies are available to download only for a few days, so don't wait too long and download them. Once downloaded, just open the file and you should find the message you are looking for here. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to recover deleted messages on Facebook Messenger. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.